Hello everyone, my name is Sanskriti Paigwar from the Quartet. Our team working on a project which can easily calculate the quantity and costing of a material used in construction of a building. Our app able to calculate building materials like brickwork, plastering, concrete and tiles work. As we know that manual and accurate calculations of quantities and costing of building materials is very time consuming and it is also difficult to manage spreadsheets and papers of calculation. To solve this problem, we developed application software which can accurately calculate the quantity and costing of building materials used in a particular civil structure.
Now, we are presenting our app demo which introduces the user interface and key features. Here, two options are provided. First is user input and the other one is file upload. User input is a tool for estimation of different building elements by manually entering the dimensions. In file upload, user can upload the 2D building plans through camera and gallery. Result will automatically display on the screen. Here, 4 building elements are provided. For calculating brickwork, click on brickwork. Here, the standard dimension of one brick is already provided. If you want to add it, you can go for it or just simply enter the size of wall. I am entering 1, breadth 1, height 1. Calculate. You can see quantity of material followed by cost. For plastering, click on plastering. Standard thickness of plaster is already provided, but if you want to choose accordingly, you can go for it. Then enter size of wall, say 10 into 3. Size of ceiling, say 10 into 10 meters. Calculate. Here are the results: quantity of sand, quantity of cement, followed by their cost. For estimating concrete, click on it. Select grade. I am selecting M20. Now enter dimension. Suppose 150 mm into 150 mm with 3 meter height. Calculate. Just on one click, quantity with cost are generated. For tiles, go to tiles. First we have to enter the dimension of tile. If I am having a tile with dimension 2 into 2 feet and length of floor is 10 into 10. Calculate. Number of tiles required are 25.